Once upon a time, in the wacky world of science, there lived a brilliant yet eccentric fellow named Sir Isaac Newton. Now, Newton was known for his groundbreaking discoveries in physics and mathematics, but he also had a knack for the peculiar and the downright absurd. One fine day, while Newton was deep in thought, pondering the mysteries of light and optics, a peculiar idea popped into his head. He wondered, what would happen if I were to stick a needle into my eye socket? How would it affect my vision? Yes, you heard that right. Sir Isaac Newton, the great thinker, had a rather unusual curiosity. Without wasting a moment, Newton decided to put his theory to the test. He rummaged through his desk, searching for a needle that would serve as the perfect eye-poking tool. Finally, he found one, gleaming with mischief. With a mischievous twinkle in his eye, Newton carefully positioned the needle in front of his unsuspecting eye. He took a deep breath and, with a mix of anticipation and a touch of lunacy, he gently poked the needle into his eye socket. Now, you might be thinking, why on earth would anyone do such a thing? Well, dear listener, Newton was a man of curiosity, always pushing the boundaries of knowledge. And let's not forget, he was also a bit of a daredevil when it came to scientific experiments. As you can imagine, poking a needle into one's eye does not result in a pleasant experience. Newton's eye began to water, and he let out a yelp of surprise. But in that moment of discomfort, something extraordinary happened. Newton's vision seemed to change, as if he had unlocked a secret dimension of sight. Suddenly, he could see the world in a whole new way. Colors became more vibrant, shapes more defined, and patterns danced before his eyes. It was as if his eye had transformed into a kaleidoscope of wonder and amusement. Newton couldn't contain his excitement. He ran out into the streets, shouting, "Eureka! I've discovered the eye-poking principle. It's the key to unlocking a whole new realm of vision." People passing by stared at him in disbelief, wondering if this brilliant scientist had gone completely mad. Little did they know that Newton's eye-poking escapade would forever change the way we understand light and optics. It eventually led to his groundbreaking theories on color and the invention of the reflecting telescope, among other remarkable discoveries. So, my friend, while Newton's decision to poke a needle into his eye may seem absolutely bonkers, it reminds us that sometimes the most fascinating and intriguing discoveries in science come from the most unexpected and unconventional experiments. And who knows, maybe one day you'll stumble upon your own peculiar curiosity that leads to a remarkable breakthrough.